Iodine is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in our overall health. It is essential for the proper functioning of many bodily processes. While it is found in small amounts in our bodies, it has a big job, especially when it comes to our thyroid gland. This gland relies heavily on iodine to perform its functions effectively. This small butterfly-shaped gland in our neck is responsible for producing hormones that regulate our metabolism, energy levels, and even our mood. These hormones are crucial for maintaining our overall well-being. Why is iodine so important for our thyroid? The answer lies in its role in hormone production, because it's a key ingredient in the production of thyroid hormones. Without iodine, the thyroid cannot produce these hormones, which are essential for many bodily functions. Think of it like this. Iodine is like the fuel that the thyroid needs to make these essential hormones. Just as a car needs fuel to run, our thyroid needs iodine to function properly. Without enough iodine, the thyroid can't function properly, leading to a range of health problems. These can include fatigue, weight gain, and even mood disorders. The good news is that we can easily obtain iodine from our diet. Many common foods are rich in iodine, making it simple to get the amount we need. By incorporating certain iodine-rich foods, such as fish, dairy, and iodized salt, we can support our thyroid health and ensure our bodies have what they need to thrive. Eating a balanced diet with these foods can help maintain optimal thyroid function and overall health. The thyroid gland is often referred to as our body's master gland for a reason. It plays a crucial role in regulating many of our body's essential functions. It produces hormones, primarily thyroxine, or T4, and triiodothyronine, or T3, that impact nearly every cell in our body. These hormones are vital for maintaining our overall health and well-being. These hormones regulate our metabolism, controlling how quickly we burn calories and utilize energy. This means they influence how efficiently our body converts food into energy. Iodine is an essential component of both T3 and T4. Without sufficient iodine, the thyroid gland cannot function properly. When iodine is consumed, it travels through the bloodstream to the thyroid gland. This journey is crucial for the synthesis of thyroid hormones. Inside the thyroid, special cells called follicular cells use iodine to combine with the amino acid tyrosine to create T3 and T4. This process is essential for the production of these vital hormones. These hormones then go on to regulate numerous bodily functions, including metabolism, growth and development, body temperature, and heart rate. They are essential for maintaining a healthy and balanced body. Without enough iodine, the thyroid can't produce enough hormones, leading to a condition called hypothyroidism. This condition can have widespread effects on the body. This can result in fatigue, weight gain, depression, and other health issues. Ensuring adequate iodine intake is crucial for preventing these problems and maintaining optimal health. When it comes to iodine-rich foods, seaweed takes the top spot. These nutrient-packed algae are a staple in many Asian cuisines and are becoming increasingly popular worldwide, and for good reason. Seaweed varieties like kelp, nori, and wakame are incredibly rich in iodine. Just a small serving of dried seaweed can provide a significant portion of your daily iodine needs. Beyond iodine, seaweed offers a wealth of other nutrients. It's a good source of fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting gut health. Iron, essential for healthy red blood cells and oxygen transport. And calcium, supporting strong bones and teeth. Incorporating seaweed into your diet is easy and delicious. Enjoy it in sushi rolls, miso soup, or as a crunchy salad topper. You can also find roasted seaweed snacks that make a great healthy alternative to chips. Dairy products, like milk, yogurt, and cheese, are good sources of iodine, providing a convenient way to increase your intake. The iodine content in dairy can vary depending on the cow's diet and the region where the dairy is produced. Cows that graze on iodine-rich pastures or consume feed supplemented with iodine produce milk with higher levels of this essential mineral. In addition to iodine, dairy products offer a range of other nutrients. Calcium, crucial for building and maintaining bone density. Protein, supporting muscle growth and repair. And vitamin D, aiding in calcium absorption and promoting bone health. Enjoy a glass of milk with your meal. Add yogurt to your breakfast parfait, or snack on a piece of cheese for a boost of iodine and other essential nutrients. Section 5. Fishy Finds. Swimming in iodine. Goodness. Fish, particularly saltwater fish, are another excellent source of iodine. Cod, tuna, and shrimp are just a few examples of iodine-rich seafood options. The iodine content in fish can vary depending on the species and where they are caught. Fish that live in saltwater tend to have higher iodine levels compared to freshwater fish. Along with iodine, fish are packed with other essential nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids, supporting heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Protein, essential for building and repairing tissues. And vitamin D, important for bone health and immune function. Aim to include fish in your diet at least twice a week to reap the benefits of iodine and other essential nutrients. Bake, grill, or pan-fry your fish for a healthy and delicious meal. Section 6. Adding iodine to your plate. Simple and delicious. Getting enough iodine in your diet doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it can be quite simple and delicious. Here are some practical tips for incorporating iodine-rich foods into your daily meals, ensuring you get the essential nutrients you need. Start your day with seaweed. This nutrient-dense food is a fantastic source of iodine. Sprinkle some dried seaweed flakes onto your avocado toast for a crunchy, savory boost, or add a sheet of nori to your breakfast burrito for an extra layer of flavor and nutrition. Alternatively, enjoy a bowl of miso soup with wakame seaweed, a traditional and comforting way to start your day. Make dairy a part of your routine. Dairy products are another excellent source of iodine. Enjoy a glass of milk with your meals to boost your iodine intake, add yogurt to your smoothies for a creamy texture and added nutrients, or snack on cheese cubes with fruit for a balanced and satisfying treat. Go fish for dinner. Bake salmon with lemon and herbs for a delicious and iodine-rich meal, grill tuna steaks with a side of vegetables for a hearty and nutritious dinner, or toss shrimp into a stir-fry for a quick and healthy meal that's packed with flavor. Choose iodized salt. Opt for iodized salt over plain salt to add a little extra iodine to your cooking and meals. It's a simple switch that can make a big difference. Remember, even small changes to your diet can make a big difference in your iodine intake. By incorporating these tips, you can enjoy delicious meals while ensuring you get the essential nutrients your body needs. The importance of balance. Too much of a good thing? While iodine is essential for thyroid health, like most things in life, balance is key. Consuming excessive amounts of iodine can be just as harmful as not getting enough. Getting too much iodine can interfere with normal thyroid function and lead to a condition called hyperthyroidism. This can result in symptoms like rapid heartbeat, weight loss, and anxiety. It's essential to consume iodine in moderation and within the recommended daily intake. The recommended daily allowance for iodine varies depending on age and life stage. Adults need 150 micrograms, pregnant women need 220 micrograms, and breastfeeding women need 290 micrograms. If you're concerned about your iodine intake, talk to your healthcare provider. Iodine deficiency, signs and solutions. Iodine deficiency is more common in developing countries where access to iodine-rich foods is limited. However, it can still occur in developed countries, especially among those following restrictive diets or with certain medical conditions. Common signs of iodine deficiency include goiter, which is an enlargement of the thyroid gland, hypothyroidism, an underactive thyroid gland, fatigue and weakness, feeling tired and lacking energy, and weight gain, difficulty losing weight or unexplained weight gain. If you suspect you may have an iodine deficiency, it's important to consult with your doctor. They can perform a simple blood test to check your iodine levels and recommend appropriate treatment if needed. Listening to your body. The importance of individual needs. While general recommendations for iodine intake are helpful, it's crucial to remember that our bodies are unique. Factors such as age, overall health, lifestyle, and dietary habits can influence our individual iodine needs. For example, Pregnant and breastfeeding women require higher amounts of iodine to support the growth and development of their babies. Individuals with certain thyroid conditions may also need to adjust their iodine intake based on their doctor's recommendations. Pay attention to how your body feels and consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice on optimizing your iodine intake. A healthier you, the power of iodine-rich foods. Incorporating iodine-rich foods into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to support your thyroid health and overall well-being. From the ocean's bounty of seaweed to the dairy delights from the farm, there are plenty of delicious and nutritious options to choose from. By making mindful food choices every day and understanding the importance of iodine in our diet, we can empower ourselves to live healthier, more vibrant lives filled with energy.